heating up last night's pizza in the microwave. But wait, what if I told you that this simple act could be slowly harming your health? Are microwaves really dangerous, or is it just another internet myth? Let's break it down scientifically. Microwaves have been in almost every home since the 70s. Fast, convenient, and easy. But over the years, concerns have risen. Radiation exposure, food nutrient loss, and even cancer risk. But how much of this is fact, and how much is fear-mongering? First, let's understand how your microwave actually works. Unlike a traditional stove that heats food from the outside in, microwaves use electromagnetic radiation, yep, the same category as your Wi-Fi and mobile signals, to excite water molecules in your food, heating it up from the inside out. But does this radiation make your food toxic? Let's clear up a big misconception. Microwave ovens do not make your food radioactive. The moment you turn it off, the waves disappear, just like when you turn off a flashlight. But does this mean microwaves are completely safe? Not exactly. Now, here's where things get a little concerning. Microwaves might not be turning your food into nuclear waste, but they could still pose 3 major risks to your health. Risk 1. Leaking radiation. Ever heard people say, "Don't stand too close to the microwave"? Well, there's a reason. While microwaves are designed to keep radiation inside, older or damaged units may leak small amounts of electromagnetic waves. Long-term exposure to high doses of microwave radiation has been linked to eye damage, burns, and even changes in blood cells. But don't panic. Most modern microwaves pass strict safety tests. How to stay safe. Check for door damage, and don't press your face against the glass. Risk 2. Does it kill nutrients in your food? Does microwaving destroy nutrients in your food? The truth is, all cooking methods alter nutrients to some extent, but surprisingly, microwaving is actually one of the best ways to preserve vitamins, since it cooks food quickly with minimal water. Boiling, on the other hand, can leach vitamins straight into the water. So, next time someone tells you microwaves zap all the nutrients out, tell them it's actually the opposite. Risk 3. Are plastic containers poisoning you? Now, here's a real danger: heating food in plastic containers. When heated, certain plastics can leach harmful chemicals like BPA and phthalates into your food. These are known endocrine disruptors, linked to hormone imbalances, obesity, and even cancer. How to stay safe. Use glass or microwave-safe ceramic containers. So, if you must use a microwave, ditch the plastic and go for glass or ceramic instead. Conclusion: should you stop using microwaves? So, is your microwave slowly killing you? Not exactly. If used correctly, it's perfectly safe. But to avoid potential risks, check for leaks and damaged doors. Use glass or ceramic instead of plastic. And remember, microwaving actually preserves more nutrients than boiling. Microwaves aren't your enemy, but now you know how to use them safely. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts from Snap.